Let's face it, nobody wants an angry wife, let alone a hungry one. You can take the difficult path to a happy life, but why not take the easy route? Let me help you. I'll be your guide to impress your wife with mouth-watering and eye-catching recipes that she'll surely love. Because you know what they say, happy wife, happy life. Welcome back to Impress the Wife, the only cooking show dedicated to the husbands who cook for their wives. And today we are going to make the world shake from the ground. Yes, the wait is over for those of you who requested this. Shawarma rice full-on experience in a sizzle platter. The Filipino way, you guys. Full-on experience. The shawarma, the sauce, the rice, the sizzle platter, and me. Yes, ooh. Let me make everything clear to my audience. This is a Filipino style shawarma. Please don't be upset if you are doing it differently than we do. I just added my own twist to this. Before I start, let me show you what I did to my pandesal that I baked the other day. Isn't that sexy? This is a Filipino pizza pandesal and I'm having it for breakfast. So let's start because we have a lot to cover. Mind you, I did not say that the path will be easy, but I am saying that it will all be worth it. If you are going to use basmati rice, you would have to soak it in water for 30 minutes before cooking. Otherwise, skip this step. First order of business, the yogurt sauce. Yes, because this needs to rest in the fridge. The longer you rest this, the better the flavor will be. This just might be your new best friend. Peel the garlic, then combine this with the yogurt, mayonnaise, water, salt, plus lemon juice. You decide how sour you want this to be. Using a hand blender, blitz this until smooth and transfer to a squeeze bottle. Let me tell you, you need to put this in a squeeze bottle. As a Filipino, do not cause any disgrace by just scooping it out using a spoon. Now set this aside to rest. Next, the shawarma. We'll do the marinade first. Dice half an onion, combine it with yogurt, soy sauce for color, a garlic clove, sugar, ground black pepper, salt, and blend. I'm tired of seeing videos that use ground beef as shawarma. It's not supposed to be like that. Here I have New York strip loin that I sliced thinly. You can use other cuts that have a good meat to fat ratio or that are highly flavorful like ribeye, flank, chuck, or skirt. Slice these in half, pour the marinade over and give this a mix. Let this rest for at least 15 minutes. Okay, now the Java rice. We'll toast some annatto seeds in oil for flavor and color. Combine the cooking oil and 2 teaspoons of annatto seeds in a shallow frying pan. Fry the seeds on medium heat until the oil achieves a nice orange-red color. Strain the oil and get rid of the seeds. Pour the oil back and add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Add more garlic if you like. There's no rule to this. Once the garlic is aromatic, add the basmati rice that has been strained. Saute the rice for about 3 to 5 minutes until every grain has been well coated with the oil. Add a teaspoon of Knorr seasoning for that added umami and aroma. Stir a few times and transfer this to the rice cooker pot. Just follow the package instructions on how much water is needed and let this cook away. We are now going to skewer the beef using a metal stick. You can also use a wooden one. Just insert a piece one at a time, resembling those huge shawarma stands. We'll roast this in the oven at 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 40 minutes depending on the size. Meanwhile, we can now start slicing the sides. Soak the thinly sliced onion in water to make it mellow. Slice your tomatoes and cucumber the way you like them. The shawarma is done. Let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Now look closely. Isn't that sexy? Which is sexier, the beef or the way it is being sliced? Let's take a deep breath and appreciate this majestic creation that will soon be gone. Okay, now we'll start to assemble. Heat up your sizzle platter. Use a mold for the rice. When the platter is hot, add a tablespoon of butter. Dump your rice in there. Then the shawarma. Gently, okay? Be careful not to bruise the meat. And garnish on top with the sides like this, like that, and like this. And finally, the yogurt sauce. This is highly emotional. Nothing is better than this moment when the sauce touches and blesses everything it gets into contact with. When you mix everything, your problems will go away. You might even forget your name for a second. But the good thing about this is that, in your mind, you know that you're meant to be in this moment. It's a bit dramatic. That's how I'm feeling right now. And that's it. The wait is over. Mic drop. Bye-bye.